26 here, just tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we're going to try this out today. Show you how it works. Hopefully we can open it up. There we go. Get the tool out. That. And we need, let's see, we need one of these right here. Let's see. Phillips said, put it in the tool. Work down here and see if we can loosen this screw. These are pretty long screws. Well, that's good. Pulled it really good. Now let's turn it to reverse. Good action. Tighten it up. Ooh, we tightened it nicely. Tighten this one. Tighten this one. Works very well. That's the Dewalt tool. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye for now.